Next, let's chit chat about backward stops. These are nice to practice at an empty session just like this. Remember, when you're skating backwards, always be mindful of your traffic periodically. Look behind your shoulders to make sure you don't hit anyone, or practice these on an emptier session. There are a lot of similarities with backward stops compared to forward stops. I'm also going to come to a backwards 2-foot glide before I get ready to stop. That way I make sure I'm nice and aligned. My balance is going to be on the middle of my skates and my feet are under my hips. Just like forward stops, I'm going to bend before I stop. And I am, for my backward stops, going to put slightly more weight on my back foot as it comes to a stop. I'm going to think about the skidding action as I start to bend in my backwards 2-foot glide position. I'm going to bend, turn my back foot out, my toe turns out, my heel turns into the center. My upper body, this is really important, stay square. Upper body stays square, and this frozen hip on my stationary foot also stays square too. Bend, stay square, turn out, and I'm gonna bend and gradually glide back. Bend, get more weight on the back foot. Let's try that standstill first. Weight is on both feet. Still keep weight in that front foot, but get slightly more weight on that foot that is trying to skid while keeping your upper body square. Sometimes putting your hands on your hips can build that awareness as well. Thinking about bending my ankles, especially my back ankle and my back knee, can help with stopping too. Something common I see with backward stops is that we forget to bend our back knee and back ankle, so we get stuck like this. We end up with too much weight on the front foot. So remember to bend everything. Start at the hips, bend the back knee and back ankle as well. That way you can come to a stop. This is something good to practice at the wall, so you can balance and push off the wall a little bit to find your stability until you can gradually step away from the wall. Let's add a bit of movement. Bend, slide to stop. Bend, drive the weight on the back foot. Bend, stop, glide, bend, keeping the weight on both feet. My center of gravity is in between my skates as well. You can also do 2 feet. So heels turn in, toes turn out slightly, bend, stop. Stop slightly wider than shoulder width apart or shoulder width apart, depending on your body happiness.